In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google AMP in HubSpot, a crucial step for enhancing the mobile experience and loading speed of your blog pages. By following these straightforward steps, you'll ensure that your content is quickly accessible and optimized for users on mobile devices. Let's dive in and explore how you can activate Google AMP on your HubSpot blog. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. Head over to your preferred browser and type in appna2.hubspot.com. Log into your account, and once you're in, locate the Help or User Guide section. This guide serves as a valuable resource, providing comprehensive instructions and insights into HubSpot's multitude of features. Finding this guide ensures you start with a solid foundation and have access to further information if needed. Once you've accessed the user guide, direct your attention to the Settings section. You can usually find this in the upper right-hand corner of your HubSpot dashboard, frequently represented by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings opens up a variety of options, allowing you to customize and configure different aspects of your HubSpot experience. This will be your hub for modifying preferences and toggling features like Google AMP. Next, you'll want to locate and select the Blog section from these settings. The Blog section is where you manage various aspects of your blog, from setting templates to adjusting SEO and visibility settings. Accessing this allows you to focus specifically on the features and configurations relevant to the blogging side of HubSpot, paving the way to make your changes specifically to enhance mobile accessibility. Now, you're getting closer to the key steps. Within the Blog section, click on the Google AMP option. This section provides you with configurations specifically tailored to Google's accelerated mobile pages. By clicking here, you're entering the phase where you can readily enable features that accelerate the delivery of your blog's mobile content. Finally, the critical step is to select the option labeled Turn on Google AMP Formatted Pages. This is the decisive action that effectively enables AMP on your blog, ensuring your pages are optimized for mobile loading. This simple toggle is a game changer for mobile users, drastically improving the speed and performance of your blog content. Once you activate this, your blog will leverage the benefits of Google's AMP technology, delivering a swift, streamlined browsing experience to your mobile audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully activated Google AMP for your HubSpot blog, leading to faster mobile performance and an improved user experience. Remember, having a fast, responsive site is crucial in retaining mobile visitors and enhancing overall satisfaction. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.